Cyntoia Brown, trafficking victim serving life sentence for murder, will get clemency hearing. A parole board will hear Cyntoia Brown's request later this month. Her case has attracted the support of Rihanna, LeBron James, and Kim Kardashian West. Credit J.S. Lee. The Tennessean, via Associated Press. Cyntoia Brown, a Nashville woman who is serving a life sentence for killing a man who picked her up for sex while she was being trafficked as a teenager, will receive a hearing that could lead to her release, officials said on Thursday. The clemency hearing, set for May 23, will be the first for Ms. Brown, 30, since she was sentenced nearly 13 years ago, said Melissa McDonald, a spokeswoman for the State Board of Parole. The board, appointed by the governor, will hear Ms. Brown's petition and decide whether to recommend that she be released from the Tennessee Prison for Women, where she is serving a life sentence for fatally shooting Johnny Allen, 43, in 2004. It is up to the governor to decide the process after we make our recommendation, Ms. McDonald said. The governor may act on it or choose not to act. When she was 16, Ms. Brown, who had run away from her adopted family, lived in a motel with a pimp known as Cutthroat who raped and abused her while forcing her to become a prostitute, Charles Bone, her lawyer, said last year. While Cyntoia's clemency application is still in process, we will not be making any further public comments, Mr. Bone said on Thursday. Mr. Allen picked her up and drove her to his home, where Ms. Brown shot him. She said she saw him reaching under his bed and thought he was getting a gun, according to court documents. She took money and 2 guns and fled. Ms. Brown was tried as an adult in 2006. A jury rejected her claim of self-defense, finding her guilty of first-degree murder and aggravated robbery. Her case has attracted the public support of celebrities including Rihanna, LeBron James, Snoop Dogg, and Kim Kardashian West. The announcement of the clemency hearing was first reported by the Tennessean. It comes 2 days after an appeals court agreed to hear oral arguments in the case on June 14. Ms. Brown's supporters have described her as a model inmate. While in prison, she took classes from Lipscomb University, a private Christian college in Nashville, and earned an associate degree. But Jeff Burks, who prosecuted Ms. Brown and is now an assistant district attorney in Madison, Georgia, has contended that she shouldn't be considered a victim of trafficking, and that she tried to recruit someone to return to Mr. Allen's apartment after killing him to steal from it. What should the law be as to a 16-year-old who does this? I don't weigh in on that, he said, but the facts of the case, I have a strong position on.